Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about disjunctive syllogism. Disjunctive syllogism is made up of two different words. Now, disjunction is either or. So if I say either you get this or that, either you take the car or walk, so on and so forth. Now, syllogism is a word that refers to arguments with two premises and one conclusion. An example of this would be first premise, all dogs are mammals. Second premise, all mammals are warm-blooded. Therefore, conclusion, all dogs are warm-blooded. Notice that that categorical syllogism has two premises and one conclusion. Now, disjunctive syllogisms have this form. And recall that in deductive arguments, what really matters is the form and not necessarily the content. Or to put it differently, in order to know whether a deductive argument is valid or not, you want to look at the form and not the content. So here's the form, either P or Q. And in the second premise, you say not P, then you can derive the conclusion Q. Now, let's consider this example from the lecture notes. Either Ralph walked the dog or he stayed home. He didn't walk the dog, therefore he stayed home. Now this is the content of the argument, but if you just look at the form of it, you can notice that either Ralph walked the dog, let's call that P, or he stayed home, let's call that Q. He didn't walk the dog, so you can say not P, and then therefore he stayed home. Let's call that Q. And you can see how either P or Q, not P, therefore Q. Now let's consider a fun example. In front of you is a picture of Morpheus. Now Morpheus appears in this movie called The Matrix. It was made in 1999. Now the movie depicts a story of this person, Neo, who finds himself inside a computer simulation called The Matrix. And he is trying to figure out how to go outside of it to gain knowledge, wisdom about what really is truly real and whether he can know that. Now, in this particular scenario, Morpheus offers Neo with a choice, right? It's a very important choice between either taking the blue pill or taking the red pill. Now, if you take the blue pill, you stay within the confines of the matrix, the computer simulated world. But if you take the red pill, then you can get outside of it and really know what is really real and whether he can know that or not. Now, the movie, super interesting, super cool, raises really interesting philosophical questions about, what is truly real? What is really real? And raises epistemological questions about what can we know and what's the extent of our knowledge. And you can watch this video clip from YouTube, or you can watch the entire thing.